Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, and they offer various health benefits. They are good protein sources and contain vitamins and minerals essential for our health. You can enjoy this food in different ways, and they are versatile ingredients in cooking. This video will explore the top health benefits of eggs. From improving heart health to boosting brain function, eggs are a nutrient-rich food that can benefit your whole body. Watch this video to learn more about the health benefits of eggs and how to include them in your diet. 1. Eggs are an excellent source of protein for energy and bodybuilding. The bodybuilding community has long been a fan of eggs, and for good reasons. Eggs contain choline, which helps to build muscle and prevent the breakdown of muscle tissue. They also have vitamin B6, which converts food into energy and protein, helping to build and repair muscles. 3 large eggs contain about 185 calories and 13 grams of protein, about 1/5 the protein you need daily. These benefits make them an excellent post-workout meal for people looking to build muscle. 2. Eggs are suitable for weight management. The body needs protein to build muscles and burn fat. Protein is a better energy source than carbs or fats, so the more protein you eat, the less likely you are to store body fat. Eggs are a healthy and easy way to get that protein in your diet, resulting in weight loss. A study found that eating eggs for breakfast increased participants' metabolism by 30% over 3 hours compared to breakfast without eggs. Another study found that people who ate eggs for breakfast felt full and less hungry than those who had cereal for breakfast. It can lead to eating fewer calories throughout the day and ultimately, weight loss. 3. Eggs are heart healthy and prevent heart disease and stroke. Eggs contain high amounts of choline, a nutrient linked to lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, fat particles in the blood. Also, it increases HDL, or good cholesterol, which helps protect against heart disease and stroke. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, B, D, and iron. All of these nutrients help protect the heart. B vitamins help lower homocysteine levels in the blood, making arteries more flexible and lowering blood pressure. Homocysteine is an amino acid naturally present in the body and can harm the heart if levels are too high. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that protects against heart disease by reducing LDL cholesterol levels. In addition, vitamin D boosts immunity and can lower blood pressure. Lastly, iron helps the body form enough red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body. All these nutrients make eggs excellent for your heart. 4. Eggs strengthen your bones and teeth. Another great thing about eggs is that they contain various nutrients that strengthen your bones and teeth. As we age, our bodies lose calcium, which can lead to osteoporosis. One egg contains 35 milligrams of calcium, which meets 10% of the daily recommended intake for adults. In addition, vitamin D in eggs helps add calcium to your bones. A study showed that women with higher levels of egg in their diet had more robust bones. Your teeth also need calcium to stay strong, and one egg provides 30% of the recommended daily value. If you're looking to build strong bones, eggs are a great source of nutrients that help your body achieve this goal. 5. Eggs are excellent for your eyesight. The key nutrient in eggs is lutein, a yellow pigment that protects you from age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. It is a nutrient you can get from other sources, but the best way to get it is from eggs. Lutein prevents free radicals from causing damage and helps preserve your vision. This healthy fat also helps prevent cataracts, an eye disease that causes lens clouding. The eyes need vitamin A to see well, and eggs are rich in this vitamin. It's one of the essential nutrients for vision. Vitamin A also helps maintain the health of the eye's cornea and retina. Eggs are also a good source of zeaxanthin, an antioxidant that protects the eye's macula. The macula is the area of the eye that helps you see fine details. You may develop macular degeneration or cataracts if you don't have enough zeaxanthin. Egg yolks also contain omega-3 fatty acids, essential for healthy vision. If you want to improve your eyesight, you should consider adding more eggs to your diet. 6. Eggs have anti-aging properties. In case you don't know, alpha-lipoic acid is a potent anti-aging agent. It prevents oxidative stress, which damages your cells and accelerates the aging process. The good news is that eggs contain plenty of this nutrient, implying that adding more eggs to your diet can help you live longer and look younger. This food is rich in sulfur, also known to have anti-aging properties. It helps your hair and skin look healthy and youthful. The compound also boosts the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals. Your skin also has higher amounts of glutathione when you consume eggs, which is why it stays firm and elastic. Plus, your hair will be healthier and shinier. These benefits are why you should include more eggs in your daily diet. 7. Eggs improve your digestive health. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. Eggs don't contain fiber, but you can change that by tossing in some chopped veggies like spinach, broccoli, artichoke, or avocado into an omelette or scrambled eggs. Fiber helps you feel fuller longer and controls your blood glucose levels. On top of that, eggs contain high amounts of choline, a nutrient that promotes healthy bile production. Due to this nutrient, the liver can detoxify more efficiently and eliminate harmful toxins from the body. This effect is especially beneficial for people with digestive problems, as it will help them feel better and more energized day and night. 8. Eggs enhance your cognitive functions and improve your mood. The brain is the center of everything we do. This body part controls our movements, thoughts, and feelings, and it's crucial to take care of it and ensure it works properly. Eggs can help with that. The choline in them supports memory and learning. It also contributes to the health of brain cells, especially those involved in thinking and memory. This way, eggs can help prevent Alzheimer's disease, age-related brain degeneration, and other conditions that affect the brain. Eggs can also improve your mood. The amino acid tryptophan is a precursor of serotonin, making us feel good and improving our moods. Serotonin is also a powerful antidepressant. Eggs may help you feel better and prevent depression, yet another reason to add eggs to your diet. And the good news is that this food is tasty and easy to incorporate into your daily menu. You can prepare eggs in various ways. You can boil them, fry them, scramble them, or even poach them. 9. Eggs boost your immune system. A beneficial effect of eggs is their high content of the amino acid cysteine. Cysteine helps your body produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant essential for immune health. Eggs are a great source of vitamin D. This vitamin is crucial for synthesizing white blood cells that help fight infections and decrease inflammation. People with low levels of glutathione are more likely to develop infections and diseases, which is why cysteine is known as the master antioxidant. 10. Eggs help regulate blood sugar levels. The protein in eggs helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the conversion of carbohydrates into blood glucose. Additionally, eggs are full of nutrients that help control and reduce insulin resistance. Nutrients like choline, selenium, and B12, found in eggs, strengthen pancreatic cells, enhancing insulin production in the bloodstream. In addition, eggs are a great source of L-carnitine, which helps the body turn fat into energy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 wonderful benefits of biotin for skin, hair and health. Thanks for watching and bye for now.